Logical steps for classification of information assets. Please note, they are very important from CISA exam point of view. You can expect at least 1 or 2 questions on these steps. So, what is the first one? It's to have the inventory of information assets. So, once you are ready with the inventory, you need to establish ownership for each information assets. Once ownership is being ready, then data owner will help you to classify the resources, whether it's critical, sensitive, public, private. Once classification done, you need to label that particular information assets. So after labeling, your last step is creation of access control list. So for example, who can access the sensitive data, who can access the private data, who can access the public data. Let us discuss what should be our answer in following scenario. So when CISA question objective is about ultimate responsibility for defining access role, our answer should be data owner. Similarly, when accountability for maintenance of proper security controls over the information assets is being asked, your answer should be data owner. So data owner, system owner, they are the ultimate responsible or accountable for maintenance of appropriate access control for their respective data and processes. Now, objective of classification of information assets. So our answer should be in following preferences. So first preference to be given to ensure integrity, confidentiality of the data. Second, to establish appropriate access control guidelines. And third one, reduction in cost of protecting assets. First step in classifying the assets, that is inventory of information assets. This is the basic requirement for any classification of assets. Let us discuss CISA questions. For appropriate data classification, the most important requirement is knowledge of technical controls, awareness and training about organizational policies, use of automatic data control tools, understanding the requirements of data user. Please note, most important requirement for appropriate data classification policy is awareness and training about the organizational policies and standards. So data owners should be aware about what are the policies in the standards, what is critical assets, what are sensitive assets, what are public assets, and what are private assets. So once this is being known, he will able to classify data as per organization's requirement. Thanks for watching. For more such video, please visit datainfosec.com.